And welcome to another video on target clear for AQA A-level Computer Science 2025. I'm going to have a look at Task 5, in C Sharp, of course. I'm going to look at Task 5 here for ZigZag, and this is a question about the use of the values in numbers allowed list. The application currently awards the same number of points regardless of the complexity of the expression entered by the user. So this does not encourage mathematical extension and challenge. Introduce functionality into the application to give a bonus of 2 points for every operand used in the expression entered. So if the evaluation is a target. Okay, so we don't award the points if the evaluation doesn't hit a target. Okay, so I am, rather than fiddling through the code, I'm just going to show you. I've already done it prior to recording this video, and I'm going to show you where I've done it and how I've done it. So we just need to look at this function here to check if the user evaluation is a target. This is where the score is incremented by 2 and then 1 is taken off it. Again, if you remember back in the main gameplay. So during in the course of this function, if you remember, we're passed over the user input in reverse Polish notation. So we have all the operands. So it's the operands that we're counting. Okay. So a bonus point for every 2 points for every operand used. The operand, of course, is the numbers, the operators. So 512 is an operand. The backslash is an operator, and so on. So the example given here is that this should evaluate to 9 points. Okay, 8 additional points for the 4 operands used in the expression. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 operands, 2 points each, plus 1 for actually hitting a target in the training game. So we are passed over the user input in RPN here, and I am just going to insert the code that I wrote about 5 minutes ago. So here it is. This is the code. I've marked it with a start and end change, and first of all, we're going to keep account of the numbers in this list of operators and operands here. So that is passed over as a list. Okay. So we need to traverse the list for each item in this list. We are going to check now, put a couple of writes in here just to show what the program is doing when we run it. So we are going to check to see if the item in that list is a numerical digit, 1 or more numerical digits. Okay, so we're doing that using exactly the same way that's been used elsewhere in the program, using a regular expression, seeing if the start and the end of the string contained within that is a number from 0 to 9, 1 or many of them. Okay, and then if that's the case, I'm going to write that it's numeric to the screen and add a bonus count of 2 to the count, and that's basically it. There's one other thing that we need to do, that is, if we hit a target, we have to add the bonus count to the score, because we get a score of 2, and we are adding the bonus count, and 1 is subtracted later on when it returns to the play game method. And so that is it. So I'll just demonstrate that to you now. So this time we're going to go for a training game. I'm going to do it in lowercase actually. And we will pick up the coding task, get that string, supposed to input, put that in. So you can see what's happened here. It's gone through the list of numbers in reverse Polish notation. So we've got 5, 1, 2, which is numeric. Then we've got the 8, which is numeric. Then we've got the backslash, because of course that's been moved in the reverse Polish notation version of it. That's not numeric. 2 is numeric, plus is not, 2 is numeric. And each time it's hit that numeric, it has added 2 to the score. Okay. Then it has obviously added the extra 1 for the score. So it's done its job, it's worked. Of course, I'll just stop that program. We don't need those right lines in. Okay. Or that. Or that. So it's just basically just a few short lines of code to do that, reusing some code that's already been used within the program, regular expression. So we'll just run that again. There you go. All right, that's the end of this video. Maybe see you for some more soon. Bye for now.